Today we're going on an adventure, a multi-state water feature tour with these guys on these. What's up, everybody? It's Jack from Atlantis Water Gardens. Today,
you shouldn't be itching your nose in the middle of the thing.
What's up, everybody? It's Jack from Atlantis Water Gardens. First stop on our pond tour, water feature tour, whatever, is Garden State Koi in Warwick, New York. And I'm here with my buddy Tom Smith. Tom, this place always looks amazing. Love coming here. So how long have you been in business?
We've been in business 26 years, and we've been at this location 18 years.
So you work mostly in like the upstate New York area?
Rockland, Orange, Sullivan County, over in the Milford, PA area. That's our main area. So
you guys do install, you have obviously a retail store, and you do wholesale. So you're running all three facets of the water.
And maintenance in there as well. It's absolutely crazy, yeah.
We're gonna take a walk around, check out your place, have you describe a couple things of what you got here that's special, and show you guys around.
This was an auto parts store. And when we moved in, that greenhouse there was filled to the ceiling with just crap. It took us 3 dumpster loads to get the place, you know, get rid of all the crap that was all over the place. And we've been here 18 years, but it's a work in progress. Every year we do a little bit more, we add on, do another couple displays, and we're always changing things up. So this is our Faces waterfall. It's a pondless waterfall, and tucked in each of the waterfalls, if you look closely, you can see a face staring back at you. So we plant a lot of our own plants. This is our potting shed. Several times a week, somebody's in here just making up plants, either from cuttings or division, or moving things from a small pot up into a bigger pot. This is our plant house. So we have 2 houses. On the south side, this is our plant house, and on the north side, we have our retail / fish house. This is one of our water lily tanks. It has both tropical and hardy in. And here's a perfect example. When you're looking at the leaf structure, if the leaves are serrated, they are always tropical. And if the leaves are smooth, like this one, that's a hardy.
Catch up with my buddy Ralph here. If you guys have watched any of my stuff, you've probably seen Ralph in some of the videos. He's from Arizona, flew out here to do this ride, do this little tour, stopping at Garden State Koi. What do you think about this place? Your first time here, right?
First time, unbelievable, man. I just, my mouth is drooling over the foliage and the displays. I mean, this type of atmosphere does not exist in Arizona, so to be able to come out here and visit this is a real treat.
Chris Baker from Across the Pond Aquascapes in...
Just outside of Doylestown, Pennsylvania.
This place is awesome, right?
Oh, it's cracking.
We're having an amazing time on this ride. We're gonna grab Tom, do our goodbyes, and then we're gonna get back on the road, head up towards Alan's house, and see what he's got going on.
I'm thinking probably nothing.
Tom, thanks for taking the time to show us around. Your place is amazing as always. And we are headed off to Alan's house. I'm sure you've been there before. It's gonna be a fun time. So
Have a good trip.
Let's get back on the road and have some fun. So I'm here with Alan and Jody Decker. They've been friends of mine for a long time. And Alan, we're at your place here. I actually came here, I don't know, like 10 years ago?
Yeah.
This gave me inspiration for our store because I walked in this building and I was just blown away by how neat everything was and what a nice feel it has. Very warm. How long have you guys been here?
Actually since 94, 93.
And that's when you started the store?
Yeah, well, we started with the greenhouses back in 94.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And Jody, what's your daily routine look like here?
My daily routine is just managing the retail, managing people, managing inventory, helping customers.
And you guys actually have 2 stores, right?
One is in Pattersonville, this one, which is our flagship store.
Yeah.
And then our other store is in Latham, about 30 miles from here.
So, I mean, we're gonna walk the gardens, but this place is amazing. There's so many water features here. How many water features do you have on the property?
Including down at the house, I think there's like 15, something like that.
Yeah, you can just walk around, I mean, for hours out there, and there's all these gardens and beautiful patios and structures, and I mean, you must have people just hanging out here by all these water features.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Sometimes people just bring coffee or something, sit out there and just relax, so.
Well, I am really impressed with this whole operation, and these are really good friends of mine, good people. If you guys are in this area, Pattersonville, New York, or you're by Latham, definitely swing by and check out this place because it's worth the trip. So we're gonna go take a look around the gardens, show you all what Al and Jody have going on here, and then I'm gonna be out for this episode. So you guys have a great one. Thanks for checking us out. Remember, subscribe, click the like button, leave me a comment, tell me about these awesome water features we saw today, and we'll see you on the next one.